National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Joe Daviess County, northwestern Carroll County, Jackson County, southeastern Dubuque County, until 3:45 a.m. At 3:12 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Zungle, or 13 miles south of Dubuque, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dubuque, Maquoketa, Galena, Savannah, Bellevue, Stockton, Warren, Hanover, Elizabeth, Woodbine, Sabiula, Andrew, Scales Mound, Lamont, Menominee, Springbrook, Council Hill, St. Donatus, Zungle, and Spragueville. Take cover now.